How to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Simply open up Instagram. Now the process is quite simple, and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll find an interface like this. Now if your any Reels is here on profile grid, now mine is not here. However, if I head into Reels option here, you can see I have two different Reels. Now first what you want to do is tap and open up the Reels, and then tap on three dots again there, and tap on manage option here, and you'll find the option add to profile grid. You can see simply tap on add to profile grid, and it'll be processed and it'll be added to profile grid. Now if you reload this and if you head into home page, you can see it has been added on my profile grid. Now to remove it from profile grid, what you want to do is, if any reel is there on your profile grid, simply tap and open it up, and then tap on three dots option again. You can see simply tap on three dots option, and here you'll find the option remove from profile grid. You can see under the edit option, simply tap on remove profile grid, and it'll ask you for confirmation. Tap on remove and it'll be removed from your profile grid. So you can see it has been removed. So this way you can add and remove Instagram Reels from profile grid. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.